Hey guys, what I have you here is a cell phone case by VICSEED. This is for an iPhone 14 Pro Max, and yes, here it is right here. This is an awesome phone, super strong industrial, drop tested for 10 feet. It's just a fantastic case. What I love about this case, it's super strong. Like I said, it's polycarbonate in the sides here, so you got that military strength, fantastic quality, and also it is MagSafe. But I love the stand. The stand is awesome. It opens from 40 degrees to 120 degrees. Okay, that's how this stand works. It's fantastic. But the easiest part is installing it. All you have to do is basically start from the bottom. Okay, push it in, and it just pops in just like that. So it's super easy to install, just like you see here, and the stand is awesome. Just open up the stand just like this here. You can hold it this way, the phone, or you can do vertical for TikTok videos or whatever you want to do. I absolutely love this phone. It works fantastic, and I love this case. It just makes the phone work and it's just so much smoother. So if you want to watch movies, you can do it this way. You want to close the case, you can have access to all the functions and all the buttons. Everything works perfectly. Everything's aligned exactly as it should be. And I absolutely love this color. And again, everything is all MagSafe, like I said, easy to open up and to either do vertical videos or horizontal videos. Like I said, this has been tested 5,000 times, so you know this is going to last a long time. This is made out of metal and high quality magnet, so this will stick like crazy. So yes, it is MagSafe. It is super strong and it works perfectly, and you got full protection and it's clear, so you can see a logo on your phone. That's what it's about. I absolutely love this product.